As the leaves begin to change and the air turns crisp, there's something undeniably comforting about the fall season. This is the perfect time to embrace the art of aromatherapy, a practice that not only enhances our environment, but also nurtures our well-being. Fall aromatherapy can bring a sense of warmth and coziness to our homes, making it an ideal way to transition into the cooler months. The right essential oil blends can uplift your mood, reduce stress, and create a soothing atmosphere that invites relaxation. In this video, we'll explore 5 unique essential oil blends that capture the essence of fall. Imagine the comforting scents of cinnamon, clove, and orange wafting through your living space, instantly making it feel more inviting. These blends not only smell delightful, but also offer various benefits, such as boosting immunity and promoting emotional balance. So if you're ready to transform your home into a cozy sanctuary, stay tuned. We'll dive into each blend, sharing tips on how to use them effectively. Get ready to fill your space with the warm, comforting aromas of fall and discover how aromatherapy can enhance your seasonal experience. Blend 1, Spiced Pumpkin Delight. Let's dive into our first cozy blend, Spiced Pumpkin Delight, which perfectly captures the essence of fall. This delightful combination features essential oils like cinnamon and clove, both known for their warm, spicy aromas. Cinnamon not only adds a sweet and comforting scent, but also has properties that can uplift your mood and promote relaxation. Clove, with its rich and earthy fragrance, complements cinnamon beautifully, creating a blend that feels like a warm hug on a chilly day. When you diffuse Spiced Pumpkin Delight in your home, it instantly transforms your space into a cozy retreat. The inviting aroma evokes memories of pumpkin pies baking in the oven and the joy of gathering with loved ones during the fall season. This blend is perfect for creating a warm atmosphere, whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home. To enjoy this blend, consider adding a few drops of each essential oil to your diffuser. Alternatively, you can create your own candles by mixing these oils into melted wax. As the candle burns, it will release the comforting scents, filling your space with the essence of fall. Embrace the warmth and comfort of Spiced Pumpkin Delight this season. Blend 2, Autumn Forest Retreat. Now, let's explore our second cozy blend, Autumn Forest Retreat, which beautifully captures the scent of a crisp autumn forest. This blend features essential oils like cedar wood and pine, both of which evoke the tranquility of nature. Cedarwood brings a warm, woody aroma that grounds the senses, while pine adds a fresh, invigorating scent, reminiscent of walking through a forest filled with vibrant fall foliage. The calming effects of Autumn Forest Retreat are truly remarkable. Inhaling these earthy scents can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. This blend is perfect for creating a serene atmosphere in your home, making it an ideal choice for meditation or unwinding after a long day. To incorporate this blend into your home decor, consider using a diffuser in your living room or bedroom. You can also create potpourri by mixing dried pine needles and cedarwood chips, adding a natural touch to your decor while releasing the soothing aroma. For an extra cozy vibe, try placing scented sachets filled with these essential oils in drawers or closets. With Autumn Forest Retreat, you can bring the calming essence of the forest indoors, creating a peaceful sanctuary that celebrates the beauty of fall. Blend 3, Cozy Vanilla Chai. Let's move on to our third cozy blend. Cozy Vanilla Chai, a sweet and comforting combination that evokes the warmth of a freshly brewed cup of chai tea. This delightful blend features essential oils like vanilla and ginger. Vanilla brings a rich, creamy sweetness that instantly soothes the senses, while ginger adds a spicy kick, creating a perfect balance that warms the heart. Cozy Vanilla Chai is ideal for enhancing gatherings with friends and family. The inviting aroma creates a welcoming atmosphere, making it perfect for cozy evenings spent sharing stories or enjoying a warm meal together. Just a few drops in your diffuser can transform your space into a comforting haven, encouraging laughter and connection. For those looking to indulge in a little self-care, consider incorporating this blend into your bath products. You can add a few drops of vanilla and ginger essential oils to your bath salts or homemade bath bombs for a luxurious soak. The warm, soothing scents will help you unwind and relax, making your bath time feel like a mini retreat. With Cozy Vanilla Chai, you can create an inviting ambiance for gatherings or enjoy a peaceful moment of self-care, all while embracing the comforting essence of fall. Blend 4, Crisp Apple Orchard. Next up is our refreshing blend, Crisp Apple Orchard, which brings the delightful scent of apple orchards right into your home. This invigorating blend features essential oils like sweet orange and apple, creating a bright and cheerful aroma that instantly lifts your spirits. Sweet orange adds a zesty, citrusy note that complements the crispness of apple, making it feel like a sunny day spent picking fresh fruit. Crisp Apple Orchard is perfect for energizing your home and uplifting your mood. The combination of these scents can help create a vibrant atmosphere, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings or when you need a little pick-me-up during the day. Just a few whiffs can invigorate your senses and bring a sense of joy to your space. To enjoy this blend, consider making a room spray by mixing water with a few drops of sweet orange and apple essential oils in a spray bottle. This can refresh your living areas and add a delightful scent to any room. Alternatively, you can create potpourri by combining dried apple slices, cinnamon sticks, and a few drops of the essential oils. This not only adds a lovely fragrance, but also serves as a charming decorative element in your home. Embrace the essence of fall with Crisp Apple Orchard. Blend 5, Warm Hearth. Finally, let's explore our fifth cozy blend, Warm Hearth, which embodies the comforting warmth of a crackling fire. This enchanting blend features essential oils like frankincense and myrrh, both known for their rich resinous aromas that evoke a sense of tranquility and grounding. Frankincense offers a warm, earthy scent that promotes relaxation, while myrrh adds a slightly sweet balsamic note, creating a harmonious balance that envelops you in comfort. Warm Hearth is perfect for creating a cozy, peaceful environment in your home. The soothing scents can help melt away stress and anxiety, making it an ideal choice for winding down after a long day. Whether you're curling up with a good book or enjoying a quiet evening with loved ones, this blend sets the perfect ambiance. To enhance your meditation or relaxation practices, consider using Warm Hearth in your diffuser. Just a few drops can transform your space into a serene sanctuary, allowing you to focus and center your thoughts. You can also add this blend to a warm bath by mixing it with Epsom salts, creating a calming experience that soothes both body and mind. Embrace the essence of a cozy fire with warm hearth, and let its comforting aroma bring peace to your autumn days. As we wrap up our exploration of cozy fall aromatherapy, let's recap the 5 delightful essential oil blends we discussed today. First, we have Spice Pumpkin Delight, which fills your home with the warm scents of cinnamon and clove, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. Next, Autumn Forest Retreat captures the essence of a tranquil forest with cedarwood and pine, promoting relaxation and calm. Cozy Vanilla Chai brings the sweet comfort of chai tea with vanilla and ginger, enhancing gatherings with friends. Crisp Apple Orchard invigorates your space with the refreshing scents of sweet orange and apple, uplifting your spirits. Finally, Warm Hearth embodies the warmth of a crackling fire with frankincense and myrrh, creating a peaceful environment for meditation and relaxation. As the fall season unfolds, it's essential to create a cozy atmosphere that nurtures our well-being and invites connection. We hope these blends inspire you to fill your home with comforting aromas that celebrate this beautiful time of year. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about aromatherapy and cozy living, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content that brings warmth and joy to your home. Thank you for joining us.